Here's a quick video on how to replace the battery in your Mazda key fob. You're going to need one of the 2025 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description. I'll take you straight there. And a small flat tip screwdriver, about this size is fine. So on the back here, this little clip, you want to push this down and slide your key out. Now you want to take your screwdriver, and you can work it on either side. This one's a little pried up, but on a side that isn't, either side works fine. Just slide it down and pry it up like that. Now you have access to your battery cover, and it says on here what the battery is, a 2025. Go ahead and take that off. Push right here with the screwdriver, take the old battery out. The new battery goes in positive side facing outward. Put your cover back on. Flip this back on. Place your mechanical key back in, and you're all set. No need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.